Welcome back to the Nige-Rider garage, and on this episode I'm hopefully going to get this out of here. Okay guys, welcome back. So here's my mounting for the side stand, centre stand and for the exhaust. Now before we attempt to try and remove this whateverly rusty bolt, whatever's left of it, don't forget, if you like my videos, give them a thumbs up, don't forget to hit your subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notifications for more videos. Now this is the mounting for the exhaust, so the exhaust actually is held on here as well. So if I get this lovely diagram that I've got from Fowler's, so you will see it is here. And then you'll see that the bolt and the nut, which is over there, goes through, and these bits either side are the inner bits are rubber, I believe, and the outer bits are actually collets with a washer in between. So this whole thing has rusted in to here. Now I've had it soaking in some white vinegar in the hope that it might actually kill some of the rust. And I've also given it a very good clean up, apart from the fact that all this white stuff is actually paint and will come off with a bit of a wire brushing. So let's see if we can use mole grips to start off with, because I'm not sure how this is going to come out and whether it will come out or not. So my first attempt is with mole grips. If this doesn't work, then I may have to get some more heavy duty tools, should I say. Might have to get more kind of vicious with it in the attempt to get it out, because this is well and truly seized in. I don't know if you can see. It is well and truly seized in. So this might need a bit more persuasion. I can hear a cat mewing. I believe another cat's obviously threatening him it. So if you're in this situation before, obviously start off with the mole grips, because you want to try and do as least amount of damage as possible. There we go, look. We have movement, there we go. I think you can do that. We have some movement at last. Look at all that rust coming out. Look at all that rust coming out. Now, whether that's enough movement to actually get it free, I don't know. Oh, hang on. We are going for it. We are going for it. We are going. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Oh, it's like giving birth. That's it. I now have all the feminists after me. Ah, look at that. And now we have the offending item. So you can see the two collets together. So the whole thing has rusted together. So that actually came out quite easier than what I thought. Although saying that, there's still a bit. Oh, that's the rubber bung. There we go. That's inside. Well, that was pretty simple, weren't it? I was expecting that to be a bit more difficult. So this means now I've got this bit out. There we go. So all I've got to do now is clean this up and put it back onto the bike once I've cleaned the back of the bike up. So that was relatively quick and simple. Now, here's something I've just noticed. That's probably why it's got damaged at some point. Just there, can you see that? There you go. That's probably why I've had the problem. So I'm going to have to sort that out before I put it back on. So what I'll need to do is just get some files, file this down, file the inside of that out as well, and the next time I put this, get one of these and put in, make sure there's plenty of copperies around the whole bolt, because that is just rusty as hell, which is the reason why it wouldn't come out. But there we go. So yeah, start small with, say, like mole grips, and then obviously if that hadn't have come out, then I would have progressed onto something a little bit more heavier, probably a hammerer and drift, all because I would have actually got room to get a drift in either side of those. If that didn't work, then it would have been a case of having to drill it out, and there's plenty of room to drill that out in there anyway, so I'd give that a very good clean up. So yeah, that was a very quick video, wasn't it? There we go. Right, now clean this up, clean the back of the bike up and stick it on. This is just surface rust. I'll get some wire brushes to give this a good clean up. That's just coming off, look. There we go. Right then, thank you very much for watching. Cheerio. See you later on the next video, when hopefully I'll be putting this back on the bike. No, I won't. I've got to clean it first, haven't I? So I'm going to clean it first, and then hopefully then the video after will be me putting this back onto the bike. So, cheerio for now, and arrivederci.